Are you being annoyed by the Sppcext extension library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Sppcext extension library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Sppcext extension library, the software protection platform client extension. It provides the localized unmanaged hooks for localized KMS, key management service activation. It facilitates the localized communication between the client machine and the localized licensing host. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Sppcext extension library DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Sppcext extension library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Warning: Sppcext extension library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Sppcext extension library and maintaining system health. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Sppcext extension library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.